350 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, 15克 cooking oil, 230米升 cold water. Mix well.
搓成
Knead into
面
dough.
团，
Rest shape dough for 10 minutes. Continue to knead again. Simply knead until the surface is smooth. Dust the cutting board with dry flour. Roll the
把
dough
面团
into
揉成
a
长
long
条，
strip. Divide into small dough balls. Knead the dough until the surface is smooth. Cover and wake up for an hour. Create a flaky pastry first. Add 40克 of flour, 17克 salt. Add 50 grams of cooking oil. Stir well and set aside. Retrieve the rested dough. Dust the cutting board with dry flour. Roll the dough thin. Thin as possible. Spread on the flaky mixture. Sprinkle a lot of scallions.
Mom, is it ready?
Just hang on a bit more. Roll chopped green onions into the dough. Keep rolling, roll. Fold the dough in half. Stuff the chopped green onions into the dough. Leave it for 5 minutes. Dust board with flour. Prevent adhesion. Roll out the dough. Roll to be thicker or thinner, both are fine. It's okay if the green onions show. Hot pan cold oil. Place the pancake and fry. Cook over low heat throughout. Flip it repeatedly to avoid burning. Fry until golden brown. Look, it's soft. The flaky mixture will create layers like this.
Mom, I'm hungry. Yummy.